Okay, let's continue with Ruby programming, and I remember I already showed you how to create a Ruby. You see, actually at the beginning we just create an empty project, and also under this folder we can create a new file. Yeah, and this line is actually the basic thing, right? This is the first thing we need to do when we learn a program, hello world. So just print something. And we need to know the difference between print and puts. Actually for this print, you see, has no return symbol. It will be, we will get the same line. And also we know something about IRB, Interactive Ruby Console. So so now basically if we want to do some simple thing, if we do not want to create some very large Ruby file, we can just use it. So since we first begin with Ruby, we just created some simple thing, right? And last time I showed you how to do some calculation, and suppose we want to do something like this, 3 to the order of 2. So we will get 9. So we just use double star. It can raise a number to a certain order. And also I want to say something about actually we have some modules already built in for Ruby, and this is like some library in C++ or in Java. Somebody else they already programmed for you, so you don't have to worry about the implementation for some methods in this library. So here we have something like this. We have math module. It can contain some methods like sine or cosine or square root or something. And also we can do this one. Let me show you. Actually let me use the English input, and you see actually we can use variable to store something here, right? A is like this, and B is like is this B? Yes, B is like 4 to the order of 2, and suppose we want to do square root dot. You see, just give us some suggestion, right? If we go square root like this, and then we need to put some like a plus b. So what it should be, the 9 plus 16 should be 25. So square root should be 5, right? So 5.0. So we can get a double return value. And also here, next let me show you how to create some method. So here you see we just use def, right? Def h actually is the name for the method, and we only want to do some simple thing. We want to put world, hello world, and then be sure to put end in this way. The compiler can know this is the ending for this method. So here, so after that means h already defined if we get this one, right? Okay, so suppose we want to call this method, how to do? Actually we can do this one. You see, if we call h, and then immediately we get the implementation hello world. And here, actually for this method, you see, we do not put any parentheses after the name of the method. But to the default, you see the default is like this. H empty parentheses, and suppose we want to have some input, some variable. We want to have h, and then we want to put some my name or something like this. So how to do? So we need to redefine. We need to redefine. Since this h and the previous h, they have a different signature. They have a different set of variables. So we just put like this. You see, it's fine. We do not have compiler error, and also if we put puts and and tier, yeah, I need to remind you, we need to use hash. And hash, that means this is kind of a placeholder, and later it can be replaced by the real value of name. You see, we have a name here. Actually, in the definition for this function, we have the name here. This is like placeholder. It's a formal argument, and later when we call this method, we put some real value for this variable, for this parameter. It can be replaced. Yeah, this part will be replaced, and yeah, let me put int. So that means int of the definition of age. So yeah, like I told you, I want to call my name. Yeah, okay. So hello, right? Yeah, it's very flexible. Actually, later, yeah, it can be for this method. It can be reusable. Yeah, this is our. Yeah, actually, we want our program to be reusable, to be more useful, right? Okay, and also here, yeah, here, let me show you something else. Actually, for this method, even we can put a default value. You see, here, a default value for name. Name is a variable, right? And the default value is word. Later, if we do not change, do not give the value for name variable, it will be just like the word string, right? Yeah, remember to put the hash and then parentheses and then put inside something like this. So now I want to do something more. I want to yeah, let me see, capitalize. Yeah, do I have a name dot capitalize? Yeah, let me find something. Okay, yeah, I thought it was wrong. Actually, yeah, let's do this one. And still, I want to have a name. The default value is word, and here I want to have puss, and also, yeah, the yeah, and then hash. So here, name dot capi. Yeah, you see, capitalize. Uh, here is weird. You see the, yeah, we do not get suggestion for the capitalize. I feel like, oh, maybe we for this string has no definition for the capitalize. Actually, it has. So yeah, just do this one. Also put like this, right? So yeah, let me end. And also let's test it if the capitalize will work. And definitely for H, yeah, it should work. You see, H we can get word, but word, W is the first one, right? So first letter already capitalized. So here I want to have, yeah, suppose my first name. Yeah, just first name, and then, okay, I'm hit return. You see here, yeah, before I input J as lowercase, but here is uppercase already. So it works. It works. Even we do not get the suggestion after we put a dot operator. Next, let me show you how to create a class. And also, I told you for Ruby is good for OOP, object-oriented programming. So here, let's create our first class, and the class name you see is called greater, and also I need to give def. So I need to define some method here. Initial lines. I want to make sure it's good because it should be good. Otherwise, the compiler cannot recognize how to initialize this class. This is like the default value for some variables for this class. And also here I use at symbol. So that means yeah, whenever we see this symbol at name will be replaced by name. Name comes from this parameter, and when we call this class the constructor, yeah, this parameter will be replaced by some real value. So here, yeah, we make it equal to name, and also we need to end this one. This is initialize. Let me show you more stuff here, right? Okay, and also for this class, we want this class can, you see the greeter can not only say hi, that means when they see each other. Also, I wanted to show something like bye, say goodbye or something, right? And yeah, you see here, and I use at. Remember, at name can be replaced later, yeah, by the name, the real value for name. And here can also say, yeah, let me see, say bye. Yeah, very easy. And also, yeah, just put bye, and also here at name, and then okay, bye, come back, yeah, something like this, right? And yeah, it's hard to see if we use the IRB console. Yeah, remember this one, yeah, starts, and this is one pair, def end, def end, def end. We need one more end to close the, yeah, so that means it's created, right? Let me see, one end, something like this, def end, should be fine, I should get a nil. Yeah, I should get nil. Okay, let's try if it works. So yeah, this is definition for this class, but how to create some object for this class. This is the syntax. To we still need to use new, but new in different format. And also here, yeah, let me put my first name over there, and then yeah, okay. So you see, actually this is a memory address, and also at name, the value is, yeah, I put the value here, right? That means we create a greeter, the name is my first name. And yeah, seems like I tried to let you remember my name. So here, yeah, say hi. Yeah, if you want to say hi, and then you see we get this one, and then if you want to say bye, right, we have this one, and that's it. Very simple, right?